Come on, get in. I'm the one man who knows everything! Oh!
This is as far as I go.
Thank you, Mike. It has been a draining day. My power pack could use a rest.
How much longer will you be staying?
20 minutes? I'm not going anywhere. One of your scientists, pal, said to give you a message.
What is it, Michael?
They were having some problems down in the test chamber, but I think that's all straightened out.
Don't you think you should pre-program me in the event you don't return?
Come on, Gordon! You trying to get me into trouble? What are you trying to do? This area just doesn't feel right. We'd better be careful. Alright, let's go for it. Hey! No!
It means a lot to me.
Make me do this. Alright?
Why, just look at those peculiar markings. Oh!
I have a bad feeling about this. I can't figure it out.
Just completed, Michael. Sorry it took so long.
We're almost there, Freeman. Get yourself in position. Oh my God! A failure of this magnitude is extremely improbable.
Man, did you see that?
Ah! Stop!
Wow.
All right, I can open the portal now.
Major fracture detected.
You can't be serious. Have you ever seen anything like this? How interesting. Good morning. I certainly know. I predicted all of this. You have no idea what is going on, you know. All of it.